Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a rut with your health? Have you been searching for a simple and natural way to transform your life? Well, I have a question for you. Have you ever considered adding raw garlic to your diet? Trust me, it might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Welcome to Health Talks by Dr. Bash, your gateway to a healthier you. Get ready for an inspiring journey where we share valuable insights and practical tips to empower your well-being. Raw garlic? Yes, you heard it right. I used to be skeptical too, but let me tell you, it changed my life. Adding raw garlic to my diet was the best decision I ever made. The health benefits are incredible. First of all, it boosts your immune system like nothing else. I used to catch every cold and flu that came my way, but not anymore. Raw garlic has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties that help fight off infections. Not to mention the antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. Another amazing thing is that raw garlic can lower your cholesterol levels. It contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to improve heart health. I used to worry about my heart, but now I feel strong and healthy. And let's not forget about the detoxifying properties of raw garlic. It helps cleanse your body and supports liver function. Plus, it aids in digestion and can even relieve bloating. Are you concerned about your skin? Raw garlic can help with that too. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce acne and improve complexion. But I know what you're thinking. What about the taste? Trust me, it's worth it. You can chop it up and add it to your favorite dishes. If you're feeling brave, you can even eat a clove raw. It might not be the most pleasant experience, but the benefits are incredible. So, if you're ready to transform your life, I encourage you to give raw garlic a try. Start with small amounts and gradually increase it in your meals. You won't believe the difference it can make. In conclusion, raw garlic has changed my life in ways I never imagined. From boosting my immune system to improving heart health and digestion, it's been a game changer. If you're looking for a simple and natural way to transform your life, consider adding raw garlic to your diet. Trust me, you won't regret it. Get ready to experience the incredible benefits and embark on a healthier journey. Remember, sometimes the simplest changes can make the biggest impact. Start your raw garlic journey today and see the amazing results for yourself. Now that we've learned about the numerous benefits of eating raw garlic, it's time to start incorporating it into your diet. Thanks for watching this episode of Health Talks. Remember, your health matters. Stay tuned for more valuable content and make your well-being a priority. Subscribe for updates and stay inspired. Take care and stay healthy.